Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing these eyelashes from Stormielou, and the eyelash that I'm using, it's called Kamisha. So go ahead and check her out. She have eyelashes, onesie, and woman clothing. Also, she have head ties for your mask so it don't irritate your ears. You can go ahead and check her out. Yes, so these are the lashes and they're in Kamisha. So I'm gonna be trying to install them. You guys, please don't laugh at me because I do not know how to install lashes. So this is the lash. All right, so how do you know? Okay, so this is how it looks. Let me see. I never wear lashes, but what the? Okay. All right, let me try them on. So I'm gonna try these. Hopefully, you guys, please don't laugh at me. All right. I think the first thing you do is you measure them. I don't know, but Red Bull, give me wings. Oh Lord. All right, let me see. I think this one goes on this eye. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna just put the glue on it and see. I'm using my just to get the glue on it. Hopefully it goes on good. I don't know how people wear lashes like all the time because actually put my lashes on. Can you guys see this? Oh wow, it looks so nice. Let me put the other one on and see. Yep. Yo, look at this. My regular face and my baddie face. You know? Girl, you gotta get your lashes from Stormielou.com because these lashes are everything. Look at it. It looks so nice. Looks so nice. Let me try the other one on. Because I need to. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. Okay. So, I did. Alright, I put this. Got a little glue on the end of this, and then I just wipe a little bit. Oh wow. Your girl's a baddie. Did you guys like and subscribe yet? Because you know, I got more videos coming. I got a lot more videos coming, so if you want to be a part of the gang, you know what to do. Okay, let me try this one. Alright. How did I do it? Hopefully it goes on. Alright, let me see. Okay. I put gotta put it up more, I guess. Hold on. Okay, let me try this one more time. So let me try this again. All right, let me see. Hopefully it goes on. Okay. Oh my God. Guys, don't laugh. But these are long as hell. Like, so this is the end result. So tell me how it looks to you. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.